guys, Plunderlock here. So today we're gonna be unboxing the InPods 13. This is the older brother of the InPods 12 that I unboxed earlier and I did a review about. So I'm gonna drop a link down so you guys can watch that as well. I also did a comparison between the InPods 12s and the AirPods, so you guys can watch that. I'm also gonna drop a link down below so you guys can look at that. So just looking around the box, we just have the InPods 12 Simple. The Simple comes in 4 color variants: the black, the blue, the gray, and the white. Just looking around the box, we have a true wireless stereo version 5.0. To the side is just basically the same thing, showing the colors. And at the back we have the picture of the InPods 13. The InPods 13 is obviously a clone or copy of the AirPods Pro, just as the InPods 12 was a copy of the AirPods second generation and first generation. So this is compatible with Android and iOS, and it has Bluetooth 5.0. So we're just gonna open this up and see what's inside the box. So actually I got this in the blue colorway because actually I have a real addiction to the blue color, light blue, navy blue, just anything blue I really love. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is just gonna be a quick unboxing. I'm gonna do a review for this product later. So just inside the box we have the InPods 13. Like I said, I got this in the blue colorway, so this is the navy blue. So let's look at what's inside the box. So actually this comes really well packaged. It charges with a lightning port, which is really good. My previous InPods 12 actually charged with the micro USB, but this charges with the lightning port, which is really good. So inside we just have some basic information showing us the different types of InPods 13. We have the InPods 13 Macron, InPods 13 Simple, we have the InPods 13 11, and we have the InPods 13 11 Pro. So you guys can drop a comment below if you want to see the rest of the InPods, like the Macron, the 11 and the 11 Pro. So I'm gonna do a review about that as well. So putting this to the side and looking at the device itself, it looks pretty good. Most InPods I've seen actually have a matte finish, and this one is no different. This one has a matte finish as well. The case feels really sturdy and really good. It has an indicator light at the front to show when it's charging, and these are the AirPods themselves. They look really good, and they also feel very good. So I'm gonna try to connect this up to my iPad, and we're just gonna do a little sound test to see how they sound, if they sound really good. These are really cheap, so it's okay. It also has an indicator light right here. I'm not sure you guys can see that, but it has a red indicator light here, indicating that it's ready for pairing. So I'm just gonna pair this up really quick. So pairing this up, I'm interested to see if it's gonna show. So actually it shows InPods 13. Here we are, it shows InPods 13. It doesn't show AirPods Pro or anything else, just the InPods 13. So I've paired this up now. I'm gonna listen to some music and see what the sound is like, if it has a good bass or not. Also how the treble sound is like. So I'm just gonna put this on. So actually right now it's at maximum volume and it sounds really good and really loud. So I'm going to put a medium volume. This still sounds pretty good and pretty loud, so I think it's quite okay. For the price that you get, it is definitely okay. So I'm trying to see if it has controls by the side to pause and play. So actually it does have controls at the side to pause and play, which is really good for the price that you get it. So this comes in at about $30, which I think is pretty good compared to the price of the original AirPods Pro. It's a really cheap one, and for the build quality I think it's also really good. The feel is really good, the build quality is really good. If you want to trick people into thinking it's the AirPods Pro, you just get the AirPods 13 Simple, the white variant. I think that's also pretty good. I just love the blue colorway. The blue colorway is really good. So am I going to recommend this for anyone? Yeah, definitely. This is really good because the InPods 12s were really good. So I expect something more amazing from the InPods 13, which I got, and I think it's really good. It comes in packaged very well, and the build quality is also excellent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of the InPods 13. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.